And off we go. Week 12 with a bouncing ball, and if it goes out of bounds, we'll wind up at the 40. Instead, it's picked up along the sideline and brought. Come up with a diamond formation in the backfield, and right off the bat, Harris starts. Warren comes in on a 2nd and long. A little motion here. They give it to Warren. He's having a heck of a year. And Warren busts one for 16. Now he goes to the sideline. Harris comes in off the play fake. Quick throw. Breaking a tackle. Taking it out to the 40 gun. He can throw if need be. 3rd and 1. And that play is blown dead. Fans might even outnumber the Browns fans, but that's not the case tonight. On 3rd and 6, that pass is caught in between defenders. And to the
ball.
Warren is the running back. Warren carries. Good run again. Bounces off one Brown.
Takes excellence the way he has.
Go 3 tight ends here. Wilson under pressure. Bury him.
Give them a spark, but so many miscues and mental acuity up front. It's tough to do anything.
4-man rush, 3rd and 12. Pass is caught into Steeler territory. Goes Jerome Ford, but he is. It's Calvin Austin on the move. Into the outside with room to roam.
Go back to his Seattle days. He just doesn't have that in him as often as he did in his younger days.
3rd down and 6. Going deep downfield, and it's caught. Pickens covered well, but he adjusted to it. Steelers already 2 for 3 on 3rd down, and not this time though. Then they send Patterson all the way to the left, and Fields looking for room and won't find it. Grant Delpit comes up to make the from the 40-yard line. After the turnover on downs, the Browns start looking for room, finding some, breaking tackles, goes.
The recovery obviously did, and you hope the same will be after this injury as well.
3rd and 2, off balance. Winston, 2 quarters. That's 5.5 games. And that pass is hauled in at the 27nd quarter. 1st down for Pittsburgh here. And start on the ground here with Warren.
That guy's going to be a great coach.
Yeah.
Get your ass over. I mean, he was just like, in this politically correct style of coaching, that guy is a football coach. Even with kids. Uh-oh.
Well respected. Getting open free is Calvin Austin with great speed and shows it there.
To safety.
Austin ran a 4.32 at the combine. So he's a jet. Meanwhile, here's Harris breaking tackles, but costing him. And the ball is out, and Wilson is there, and Russell Wilson is able to secure it. So Najee Harris fighting, and it's his first fumble of the season. Najee Harris rather. Wilson, pressure, got it away. And trying to work his way for extra yardage. The first points of the game on the scoreboard. And a flag is thrown. And 48-yard field goal for Boswell. And that kick is good inside the back now. O-line downed it in the end zone. So Ford is the running back here now. Pass is caught here. And on the move for a gain of 15 yards is 36. Their first down. The pass is caught on the near side and spun around and taken down after
the first couple series to run. Now they're able to throw it.
2nd and 2. It's another 1st down here. You know, Jerry Jeudy was him targeted yet. Sooner or later, maybe now. Over the middle. That's caught here by Jerry Jeudy. Ford looking for room. Barrels his way. He may have the 1st down by the time this is over. Chubb back in. Keep it. Winston picks up the 1st down.
This drive as well.
4-man rush. Fires. Caught. But it's going to be a little short. Not too many terrible towels. Not as many as we normally see anyway. 4th and 1. Can they pick up the 1st? Indeed. To the 15. Wilson takes his spot. It's 1st down from the 11-yard line. Winston will throw. Caught on the outside. Diving to the 1-yard line. From the 1. Chubb scores. To the end zone goes Nick. And Cleveland takes the lead.
Touchdown.
Dustin Hopkins' point after is good for 128. Yet to throw an incompletion. Here, under pressure, loses the ball. Strip, and the Browns are there to get it. Myles Garrett came in. He extracted it. And George Field now from the 31, so after that long drive, that defense has to come back. That pass, reaching up for it. Winston dancing, throwing, taken at the set. On the ground, nothing. Stuck. And the kick is good. For 128 yards. Surveys, throws. He's 11 for 11 to the 49. Same page as Wilson retreats. Going deep, and there's a contact, and is there any flag? There is none. 3rd and 10. Wilson. He's going to get sacked back at the 38-yard line. Myles Garrett. All right, so Cleveland now starting from the 30-yard line. Winston throws. That catch is made.
But the line's done a good job of taking care of it.
Play action. Under pressure. It scrambles. Throws on the run. Caught by Tillman. Loses the ball. Picked up by the Steelers. So Tillman had the first down, and then Dante Jackson will. Their first play of the second half. Harris cutting to the outside. Good move. And lunging. See where that thrilling noise is coming from. We really appreciate that. 3rd and 7. Wilson, little lollipop. And trying to keep his balance is Warren Thornhill. Got him. And
he gets another 4.5, 5 yards. Comes close to getting the first.
So you got a 4th down and 1. And they go for it. And they stop him. Maurice Hurst.
0 for 4 tonight on 3rd downs.
Can they convert? No, they can't. From the 20-yard line, they start this drive here. Warren to the outside. Nice move. Gets forced out of bounds. Really coming down now. 2nd and 10. To the ground. To nowhere.
With Pittsburgh's offense. To me, it's what's right with Cleveland's defense tonight. I mean, we can point the finger all we want at Pittsburgh. This is about a Cleveland defense showing up ready to play and incredibly well prepared.
With 3rd and 10. Wilson going deep. He's got a man wide open. It's Van Jefferson this time. So Jefferson gets free. Harris, no.
Matter of still being able to run the football and getting the ball out of the hands of Russell Wilson quickly. You don't want him back there holding on to the football.
3rd and 11. Flushed out. Looks for the sideline. Skirts that sideline and
almost a whiteout.
3rd and 1. Harris. No. And Cleveland in a position. Play clock at 4. Wilson to throw if he can. Spins away. Fires. Caught along the sideline. Freiermuth, the tight end, gets free, worked his way free.
Red zone an issue for Pittsburgh. Will they come up with answers here?
This is not Aloha Stadium, by the way, in case you're wondering. 2nd and 6.
This is the AFC North football, baby.
It is.
It's Ohio weather, baby. I love it.
High snap. Recovers. Gets tackled at the 17-yard line. Jordan Hicks. Wilson in the blizzard. To the outside. That'll be caught by Corliss Waitman to put it down. Boswell's kick, if he can find it,
Good luck.
is good. Only on Prime. So it's so obscure. We're going to put in these virtual lines so you can see them, us too.
Wow, that's
Otherwise, forget about it.
good effort out of you guys there. That's beautiful.
Our
The
boy.
Browns need to take advantage of this.
Yeah, it's a good point. Very significant as they go with the win. Winston downfield, reaching up. Can he make the catch? Njoku. No, that is Blake out of Wake Forest, second year in the league. Replaced Jeff Swain, who's hurt. And makes a big half a minute to go in the quarter. Chubb to the outside, gets taken down to the. Will they run a play before they switch sides? They do. Winston throws over the middle, caught. Ooh, and breaking a tackle, but they may have stopped him shy. Tillman. And they give it to the fullback, and the first man through is from the 23, open, making the catch to the 5-yard line. Of 17 is Winston on the ground, chugging his way. Can they stop him? They do. At about the 1.5 is Winston looks up at that clock, which is down to 4-3 on the play clock. Gets the snap. Chubb. Stopped at the 1. Fake. Throw. Oh, juggled. He had it and couldn't hold on. 6-ball. Ford in motion. Winston under pressure, gonna run it into the end zone. Whoa. Brings Judy inside, throws, and this time it's held on to by Njoku for the 2-point conversion. So they go to Justin Fields. He will keep it. And the ex-Bear down the sideline he goes before he's thrust out of
yards.
You saw Ward and Delpit run into each other. Fields stays in here. This time he tries the other side. Snap a little high, handles it under pressure, throws up a 50-50 ball. It does a personal foul.
I think that was one of those that Terry might be able to help us. It wasn't so much.
Maybe Fryermuth. Wilson throws. Here's Harris helping him out. And Harris dot Warren flanking Wilson. Instead they give it to Patterson coming around the corner. Nowhere. Fields.
Defense number 9.
Whoa.
After this is to the goal. Automatic first down.
Unsportsmanlike conduct.
Pickens going at it, and then he smacks at him after the whistle coming right here. Little smack right there. That's when the flag came up to
3. Warren to the end zone. Touchdown Pittsburgh. Not the cleanest handoff, but it works. Had to handle that snap and got it down. And it's mainly Cleveland fans. I know Pittsburgh sometimes overtakes stadiums.
Not tonight, though.
Not
This
tonight.
is like 90%.
Not at all.
Cleveland.
Look at this.
And they're 2-8
They're staying
on a Thursday night.
2-8 Thursday night. Terrible weather. You got to hand it to
No,
them.
you got to hand it to
Yep.
them. And they have
2nd down and 9. Yeah, they giving him a show tonight for sure. Look out! Ball's out. Steelers have it. Nick Herbeck, who made a couple of very big plays last week. Coming back from an injury, does it again. Takes over the ball at the 27-yard line. Play action. Going for it all. Oh, and somehow be 3rd and 6. Garrett just got circled. They double team him. Wilson to the end zone again. Can he hold it in? Austin, yes he can. Touchdown. Calvin Austin. 23 yards. Pay dirt here from 23. And that's incomplete. Ford is the running back. Pressured. On the run. On the move. Throws. Leaping grab at the 40-yard line. Jerry Jeudy. Good protection. Goes intercepted at the 21-yard line. They pick him off. Dante Jackson. Now Harris next to him. Fields is going to throw and throw long, and it's incomplete, intended for Pickens. And Pickens.
Football, but he didn't really affect him at all in his route.
Meanwhile, the kick here is a short one. Corliss Waitman in Pittsburgh territory, we think.
Yeah, that just came off the inside of his foot. Nobody got a hand on it. Just missed it.
Cleveland now. Through the middle. Gain of Cleveland, 2 timeouts. And the 2-minute warning. Winston in trouble. Winston hangs in there. Winston throws. Dropped. Had his man. 0 for 8 are the Browns on 3rd down. Tipped. Incomplete.
For this man because of the double teams and the chips.
Watt. Double him again. Chip him again. Passes a little low and caught. Jerry Jeudy was right.
Just a big fella almost has just set a screen. Get away from him. Use the big man to be able to help you out. Get the first down.
Go to your knees. Make the catch. Pass to the outside here. Down to 2. 0 for 9 on 3rd down. Can they convert here? Look out. Under pressure. Fires. And
Touching of a pass. Offense number 55.
Oh.
It's a 5-yard penalty. Remains 3rd down.
3rd and 7. In the pocket. Has a man to the 13-yard line. Jerry Jeudy having some night.
We have a flag that comes in late.
Very
Joey
late.
Porter passes it off to Minkah Fitzpatrick, and it looked like a little bit of indecisive miscommunication there by the defense, but a great ball there by Jameis.
Barely. Here goes. Breaking tackles. To the 1-yard. 6 seconds. Ticking down. Winston from the gun. Hands it off. To the end zone goes Chubb. Touchdown Browns. Look. 180. What's up? Wide right. Now he goes into motion. He gets stacked on the left side. Winston throwing for Jeudy. Broken up. Hilton. This one's too much fun.
I know. Oh, man, it's so good to see 24 in a Browns uniform running hard after everything he's been through, the rehab that he worked so hard for 14 months to get back in.
We talked about last year we were here, and Joe Flacco came out of retirement. Can he go 64 yards in 50 seconds? 1 timeout. Rush 4. Pass caught up at the 38-yard line. Freiermuth works his way forward.
Go with here at 30 seconds, then 1 timeout.
Trying to get in a position where at least he can throw a Hail Mary if nothing else. On the move. In from the clock, it's at 23. He has to throw a jump pass. Warren. And now they have to take their timeout with 6. Wilson dancing. Throws that one. 4-man rush again. Wilson has to go to the outside, and that is caught. So rush 3, drop 8. Now a late rush thrown up for grabs in the end zone. How does this one end? Incomplete. Right down to the nub.